fantastic about Gold Team is having friends.
Even when the darkness crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, when you're broken on the ground, you will be found.
What I love about Gold Team is how lots of really important and special people from all around like the West End and on TV shows all come in and they have like the actual time to come and teach us.
Did you ever get the feeling that the whole universe is fading? Bring happiness and friends to the great world we explore.
What's great about Gold Team is it's really, really fun. It's where you just make friends and just be happy.
And to learn about musical theatre and to be on a stage.
Like if you want to be a dancer, a singer, an actor or something, it gives you an opportunity to actually make it true. That's why I love all of this, especially my friends.
What's so fantastic about Gold Team is the workshops that we get from West End professionals, and they teach us new dancing, singing and acting skills.
The reason I come to Gold Team is there's lots of good people here and they're very good and talented.
My special memory in Gold Team is we get to go to different places and once did some singing and Theresa May came and saw us.
The reason I come to Gold Team is the hairspray.
I love doing what we do here. It just felt really good and it was like, it's a great end to the term.